Bongó channel, and today we bring you 5 different turns in bachata. I am Raúl.
And this is Sara.
So let's go. The first turn of bachata that we have is the normal turn. In the normal turn, you got 1, 2, 3. You do a tap. The guys will go up and we turn in 5, then 6, then 7, and then 8. Like a man, like a follower. So 5, 6, 7, and basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will turn 5, 6, 7, 8. It's important here, when you turn followers or leaders, we have our feet always in front of our body. So try to avoid to go here with these positions. Okay? It's not nice. So when we are going with the follower, in this video we're just gonna concentrate on the follower, but I'm gonna show the leader's turn too. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we turn 5, 6, 7, 8. There's some techniques that they go out, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. It depends what you're doing, but we have different preparations to do it. So we like prepare before in different ways. Depends when you learn, okay? So we are concentrating on the down steps. We go to the second one. The second one is the same step for the follower, but I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4. I break a little bit my frame 4 to tell her, calm please, because we're going with the opposite hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we are doing, we're gonna go in this position. Yes, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the first one, and the second one is the same one. It's just different preparations and way to put the hands. So we go in the third one. The third one is really tricky. We call it turn on 2. Okay, because normally the turn starts in 6 or in 2 and not exactly in 1. So we go 5 and we change the entire way, but I stop her and tell her, do not continue and return. 2 and piggy. Okay, so the lady is doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I return her 6, 7, and tap. We can do this in the opposite way. This should be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's easier with this connection to do it this side than this side, but it's the same turn. For the leaders, we go in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we open 6, and we do basic, tap, and basic, basic, basic. To our delay turn. This is important because in bachata we don't have these turns, like pivot turns or walk, 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 patineta turns we call it. We don't have that turn. So bachata is really style that we push a lot to dance. So it's
basic step.
In the basic step, it's important that we always stay in the basic step, and we do not do these things. So when we are doing these things like out of the bachata, maybe you're looking for a show or for something else, but in social dance, try to keep it, just dance it, okay? So this delay turn is going to help you to understand that. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We just walk in 6, and in 7 I start 7, and she's turning, tap, and then return to the 1. Okay, let's do it together so you understand the leaders too. Let's do basic 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap. We open 5, 6, and in 7 I start turning, and in 8 I just do the tap. The same inertia that brings me from the turn, I just pull again in my line. Okay? Again, let's do it a little bit more fast. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1. Remember to have a spot with your partner. When you're dancing bachata, the spot is not, spot I mean to have exactly 1 point when you dance. 1, look the spot of Sara. And she's looking at me, but it's not aggressive, it's not that sharp, it's really full, following, okay? So do not do it like that, so strong. And the last one is a double turn, okay? So what we are doing here, let's do it here, is a double turn. In the double turn we do 1, 2, 3, 4, normal turn, 5, 6, and 7, I do the delay turn. 8, and then I go 1, 2, 3, 4. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, wait, 7, and 8, and 1. And in salsa, I will do it 1, 2, salchata. Kiri, kiri, kiri. So that's not a double turn really in bachata. So try to keep it always with your steps. Okay? We're gonna do it in this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's always better to have it like that. So I hope you learn, practice a lot, and see you in the next video.
La vida es como un pasaje de una canción que marea. Y aquí